Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. My opinion, one of the most ultimate cars of all time, a 67 Corvette Roadster with a big block and a 4-speed. This one even has a leather upholstery. I just love these cars. They're just a blast to drive. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study pictures top to bottom of each car, and that's also where you'll find the price tags on almost 200 collector cars that we offer for sale right now. That's at volocars.com. And if you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Okay, so underneath the car is just very respectable. The frame has been cleaned and painted black. It looks solid, looks nice. These were independent suspension, front and back. The front end looks like it's been gone through just by looking at it. The bushings and control arm bushings and the ball joints and a lot of steering linkages, that all looks not brand new, but it's been replaced recently. It does have upgraded KYB gas shocks all the way around. These are disc brakes at all 4 wheels. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up. The fiberglass floors look good. Recent dual exhaust system with Flow Pro mufflers, and the tips come right out through the valance like they're supposed to. Bottom of the motor is clean. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The lower ignition shielding is in place. You can see that. It has the correct factory style starter. It does have a heavy duty bell housing attaching the Muncie transmission. It's a Muncie 4-speed trans. So underneath is just very clean and respectable. The body is really impressive. This is, according to the tag, a genuine Marlboro Maroon car, and the paint is slick. Matter of fact, the photographer just finished taking the pictures, and he's raving about the car to me twice. But the paint is laid out real nice. Well, the body, usually I talk about the body first. Got the Stinger hood. That's just an awesome hood, 1 year only. Designates the big blocks under there. But the gaps are all real nice, square and flush. I don't see any cracking. There's some little nicks on the very, very edge of the hood here, but I don't see any damage. Everything looks really nice, fits nice. The metal flake is laid out real evenly. It's very tiny metal flake. And then the clear coat is polished like glass. I'm looking at the reflection of our light fixtures in that, and it's like looking in a mirror. So all this paint, real slick, door handles shiny, it's new. And a couple little marks from the convertible top here, little tiny nick right here. The chrome looks new, gas cap looks new, emblem. Tail lights have been replaced. Bumpers are real shiny. Has the correct antenna. All the paint is still real slick. It's all real nice. Got the correct rally wheels with the little derby caps in the middle. BFGoodrich tires look like they're new. Got all this real nice shape. A new mirror. The windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure that's been replaced. So you got a really slick looking car. The black convertible top, you can practically call it new. It's very fresh. It's a black convertible top. So why don't we check out that big block, and I'll show you those leather seats a little closer. All right, you can hop inside with me. Check out the door panel. To me, it looks like it's in mint condition. All the chrome and knobs and hardware look real nice. Then the door jamb is painted real nice. Weather strip was replaced. It's rubbed a little thin right here at the top, though. But nice looking door jambs, mint looking door panels. I noticed when we opened the door, it has LED interior lights. You probably can't see them, but it did light up nice and bright white. I absolutely love leather upholstery in the Vettes. It was an option. I don't know why it's a big deal to me, but these are nice, soft leather. They're not worn out, but they just like your favorite leather jacket. They're nice and soft and broken in nicely. This also has the rare headrest option for $67. One more unique option is the telescoping steering wheel. You turn that and the wheel should slide in and out. The instrument panel's real nice. Gauges are all real good. It does have the 6,000 redline tachometer. That's for a 427. Is the 80-pound oil pressure gauge. And I noticed the clock is actually ticking. Both dash humps are in real nice shape. They're not cracked or damaged. Glovebox door is real nice. Original radio. The console is nice. The paint's a little chipped up. And it has a Hurst 4-speed shifter. Also has the correct set of seat belts. Carpet's a little bit faded, and that happens quickly. I've had a lot of convertibles in one summer. If you're like me and the top's down, it can fade out. And back here, pretty unique way of putting in a stereo. Down in this lower panel, which is removable, there's a set of speakers and a Bluetooth. Well, it has a stereo with a plug-in, with an auxiliary plug-in. I'm not sure if it's Bluetooth. But that's installed neatly, and it can always be taken out if someone didn't like that. Door panel on this side is just as nice as that side. Visors and mirror look good. Now here we go, big block power. It's a 454 motor that's in here now, and it's juiced up a little bit. It has an aluminum intake, a big Demon carburetor, an updated ignition system, and a set of Sanderson headers. Now it's also dressed up with some chrome, custom valve covers, the alternator, master cylinder cover. Upgraded radiator with dual electric fans. Heater hoses look new. Just overall, it's in good, proper condition. You know, plug wires. You got the flaps over the suspension. I mean, this is not a concourse type car, but the motor compartment looks great. Don't see any issues. But this big block moving this little car with the top down, shifting through the gears. If I had to list 10 of my favorite things in life, that driving one of these would probably be one of them. Before we go, I do have a quick little story to tell you. I have a picture. If I can find it, I'll put it on our website. But as a little kid, my dad was selling these cars in the early 70s. It would have been a used Corvette. And there's a picture. We're at the Milwaukee Zoo. There's my mom, myself, and my father. Someone must have took our picture by the car. And I realized, well, where did I sit? My mom said I sat on the center console. So back in 73 or 4, no car seat, not even a seat belt, driving down the road in a big block Vette Roadster. Pretty funny. But anyway, this car is gorgeous. It's a lot of fun. If you want to treat yourself to a good time, you got it right here. Go to volocars.com, because I just gave you my impression of this car, but there's plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific concerns or questions, make sure you ask. They'll help you the best they can. They can also help you get this car delivered anywhere. They help with financing. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, hope you do, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.